Mark? Oh, you must be really hungry. That's a lot of fun. You played? Did Grana go in with you? Did AJ go in?
Did AJ go in the water with you?
Who all went swimming?
AJ, Mama? Grana went too?
Who else?
Okay, yeah, I went too.
He is so cute, Chris.
And I was having so much fun. I was running from one end to the other, and I went from here, and Granny said, I better be careful because I'm going to fall because I was rushing around and I might slip and
All right,
get another
Adrian,
bed.
what are you watching? Anything good?
Huh?
They're expensive. There was like only 8 of them in the box.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take down to 6, CJ. Down to 6 for Auntie Carrie.
CJ, you having a little problem there? Get all the balls. How are you gonna get them all?
This AJ going out.
Thank you. I'll hold a couple for you. You can get the rest. We'll get the rest of them.
CJ, give Auntie Carrie a kiss yet? He gives the best kisses.
Does he?
Oh, he gives nice kisses.
Oh, look at all of them you got. You want the rest now? Here, I'll show you how to do it. Make your hands like this. You got all of them. Good boy.
Big one now.
You got, now let them drop. Let them drop, all of them.
Let it go.
Ready, set,
Go.
drop 'em. Woo!
Wow, you had 7 balls. Good job.
How old are you?
Go ask her.
It's Piggy.
Hi, honey. No, absolutely. Where's your plate? Go get it.
UJ? J Money? Marky? Hello. How's the pizza?
It's delicious.
Good. Chrissy? JJ? How's the pizza?
Auntie Carrie. Say hi, Auntie Carrie.
CJ?
Hey, my pizza's pretty good. Mine's
Say
in
hi.
liquid form.
Jakey? Nope. Where's Pooch? There he is.
Did you like that, sweetie?
Hey Pooch. You're in the video. July
Here, give me your
8th.
plate.
What is it? The 8th?
Here, I'll take it. Put your plate up there.
2006.
There you go.
CJ, how old are you? CJ, how old are you? When are you going to be 4?
On my next birthday.
Yeah, when's that?
On my second.
Pretty soon, huh?
You face back or forward?
I love you more. I love you so much.
Be a good boy for
Bye, honey.
mom, okay?
Okay.
Love you.
Love you too.
Okay, bye.
CJ,
Later.
bye. I love you.
Give Grover
I
a
love you too.
Say bye.
hug. Love you, Grover.
Love you,
Bye, Chrissy. Love you.
Love you too.
Be careful.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks
Love
for
your new
coming.
house.
Bye, Marky. Oh, yeah, you stay.
Jake and Uncle Marky, hug.
Bye.
Bye,
Goodbye.
JJ. Love you.
Have a safe trip.
We'll see you.
I'm sure.
Are you going to stay here?
Yes, I'm staying here.
We'll see you next time.